All right, so you want to invest, but you're stuck between Robinhood and Webull. One is incredibly easy to use. Anybody can pick it up and immediately feel comfortable. The other is like looking at a NASA control panel. Now, that doesn't make it bad. It just means that the two are for different types of traders and investors. So how do you know which one is right for you? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Matt, investments editor at finder.com. Today we're doing a deep dive head-to-head comparison between two very popular trading platforms in the US. Yes, you guessed it, Robinhood and Webull. Let's see how they compare. Okay, here's the deal. Robinhood is incredibly easy to use, and you'd be hard-pressed to find a broker with a better looking UI and UX. It's simple, it's easy, and it's fun. You know, some have complained that it makes investing a little too fun. But compared to the outdated platforms of some brokers, the Robinhoods and the Webulls of the space are a breath of fresh air. Now, Webull's platform is also sleek and user-friendly, but it is packed with a ton of very cool trading and analysis tools, making it a better option for active traders and really anybody that enjoys technical analysis. Now, Webull does a great job at combining form and function. It is both feature-rich and user-friendly. When we compare fees and commissions, Robinhood and Webull are on par with each other. Both offer commission-free stock, ETF, and equity options while charging for things like futures and index options. Account fees for both platforms are generally low, but of the two, Robinhood is currently the only one that puts its best features behind a paid membership. Subscribing to Robinhood Gold for $5 per month gets you things like a higher APY on your uninvested cash, higher matching IRA contributions, and then things like level 2 market data and Morningstar research. However, it's worth noting that Webull is launching a premium service sometime soon, which will also include higher APY on your cash, IRA matching contributions, data bundles, and more. For crypto traders and investors, you'll find access on both platforms. As of March of 2025, Robinhood offers access to 23 coins compared to Webull's 25. Importantly, both brokers let you transfer your coins off the platform. Meanwhile, both Webull and Robinhood offer stocks, ETFs, options, index options, and futures. But Webull goes a step further by providing access to US Treasuries, money market funds, and a robo-advisor. However, it's worth noting that Robinhood is gearing up to launch its own robo-advisor sometime in the near future. In terms of trading tools, Webull outshines Robinhood plain and simple. While Robinhood recently launched its advanced trading platform, Robinhood Legend, Webull has been operating in this space for several years. All in all, Webull's charts are more advanced and its analysis tools more robust. Webull also offers a paper trading feature, which can be an important differentiator for active traders. Looking at customer support, Robinhood's is available 24/7, while Webull's is available only during business hours. In terms of reliability, Robinhood has had some trust issues in the past. If you remember the GameStop debacle, are the trust issues warranted? Perhaps. Are they a bit overdone? I think so. Robinhood was not the only broker to halt trading back then. Several big brokers did as well. Webull even had its own trade restrictions, although they did not get nearly as much heat for it. Lastly, for those keen on retirement, Webull and Robinhood both offer traditional Roth and rollover IRAs. Notably, Robinhood offers a year-round 1% match on IRA contributions or 3% when you subscribe to Robinhood Gold, giving it a slight edge for retirement savers. Webull did offer an IRA match program in the past, and it looks like they're gearing up to relaunch it as a part of Webull Premium. So which platform is right for you? Well, if you are a beginner looking for a straightforward and enjoyable trading experience, Robinhood is hard to beat. It's also been stepping up its game, trying to appeal to more active traders with the launch of Robinhood Legend, and the company said during its most recent earnings call that its goal is to become the #1 platform for active traders. So I am excited to see how it progresses there. But for now, if you are an intermediate to advanced trader looking for comprehensive tools and advanced features, Webull is probably your best bet. So what's your pick, Robinhood or Webull? Drop a comment and tell me why. Oh, and if you want some free stocks, check out the link below. And hey, if this video helped you out in any way, hit that like button, subscribe for more investing content, and check out my other videos on trading tips and market news.